Hey, how you doing? Hey, I want to start this out with just reminding you that if you don't hit the alarm button down there beside the subscription, you will not receive notifications that new videos are being posted. So, just for instance, I only have about 200 people that have hit the alarm button across all my subscribers. So only those 200 people actually receive notification that I posted a new video. So just a little reminder that to make sure you go down there and hit that a little alarm bell so that you get notification whenever I post a new video. All right, thank you. So how you doing? Hey, today we are going to take the Partner P70, throw another carburetor on it, and see what happens. I picked up a brand new carburetor from a 266, and we're going to stick it in. Alrighty. Now I can tell you the carburetor for a 266 is almost a direct bolt-on. Almost, like 99%. The only thing you have to do is interchange the choke rod. So what this does is it moves the linkage point on the carburetor from one side of the carburetor to the other. That's all you do is change the choke rod from the old carburetor and move it on to the new carburetor. And then after you do that, it's a direct bolt on, you're ready to go. Nothing else needs done. So what do you say we try to start this all up and see what happens? See if we can get this thing into some wood today. Alrighty. Now I'm going to start this thing off a little rich, and I'll slowly work it a little leaner over time. I don't know how lean I'll run it today, but we'll work to that point over time. For now, I just kind of want to get it kind of, I wouldn't say broke in, but I want to get familiarized to the saw. So I'm going to start it off a little rich, and then I'll work it a little lean as we go here. I don't know if I'll take it all the way leaned out as what I normally do, but we'll get a good idea of how this saw performs. Alrighty. So I am actually pretty happy with this saw. It runs fantastic. Very smooth cutting. The chain could use a little work, but you know, that's chains. But otherwise, you know, this saw runs flawlessly. I am having no issues whatsoever. No hiccups, no bugs, no nothing. In fact, I'm pretty certain that once Briscoe sees this video, he's gonna be like, man, I should have kept that saw. But, you know, I'm pretty thankful he gave me the saw, and, you know, we'll get her built up and he'll get to run it still. But, you know, she's actually a very nice running saw, very smooth. I can see why these saws are so popular among these P70 fans. They are a fantastic saw to run. The power to weight ratio is spot on, you know, everything is just perfect with it. But we're not gonna leave it that way, are we? We're gonna tear this saw down and we're gonna turn it up a bit, and we'll probably do it in little steps. We'll see. We might do it a little bit here and a little bit there. You know me, I like to tweak, but I kind of want to see how this saw performs, you know, along the process. And, you know, let's get her turned up some and see what she'll really do. Alrighty, so, hey, hope you liked it, and catch you on the next one. Later.